Nahihirapan ka bang laging iniisip kung magugustuhan ka ng ibang tao? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkape't pandasal. We spend so much energy on the surface of our lives, but the prayers of Jesus for us invite us into something deeper, the shift from seeking a temporary profile to building a lasting legacy. Jesus glorified God by finishing the work he was actually given to do, not the work the crowds expected. This is vital because social validation is a moving target, a hunger that is never truly satisfied. But when we focus on the why behind our actions, we find a stability that the internet cannot give us. Your worth isn't found in how many people are watching you, but in the faithfulness of your heart when no one is watching at all. It is about being in the world but not defined by its shallow metrics. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, palayain mo kami sa aming pagnanasa na laging may constant validation sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Sa halip, nawa makatutok lamang kami sa paggawa ng iyong hinihiling. Amen.